Let me play. Wait, hold on. House? What up?
That's just a balloon.
Dude, I can't get in there, bro. I can't get in. Bro, what's in there?
I don't think it will fit inside.
No, I will not be able to do it.
Yeah, I don't know.
But, I mean, I could try. I doubt it.
Nah. I don't think you're
What
fitting
if I do
inside.
head first?
What?
What if I do head first?
No, that is really sus.
Bro, people are being scared in there?
Yeah, they're coming out of...
Wait.
Duck! Can you do it? You can't?
I can't. Wait. Hey.
Let's go! We fit
Did I
it!
fit?
Yes, sir!
Holy shit. Wait.
Let's go.
Wait. I deflated.
Do we go out the same way we came in?
Sorry?
Do we go out the same way we came in? You know? Or no?
I didn't get you because of all the yellings. What?
Do we go out the same way we came in?
No, you go out through that
Oh, okay,
that door. Yeah. Sorry, I couldn't hear because of all the yellings. You can go through here, like circle around.
Which way? That way?
You can go through there.
Okay.
You can go
Wait,
through there.
let's go
as
this
well.
way. Wait,
Okay?
is there any obstacles? I can't fit in the obstacles.
There's no obstacles.
Okay.
There's like people screaming at you. That's all.
Okay.
Nothing else.
Wait. Bro, use the flashlight. What are you doing? What the fuck? Okay.
They're gonna be scared of you.
Where are they?
Let's go through there. Maybe.
Which way?
Yeah, through here.
Okay. How the fuck did I get in here, bro? I don't know.
I don't know. Where did we get? Ah, those testicles. No,
Oh, y'all scared.
Whoa.
Bro, I need to get out here.
You can get through here.
Bro. Oh, shit. Wait.
Can you? Duck.
Wait. What?
I feel constipated seeing you.
What the fuck, bro? What the hell? This thing's so big, yet so small.
Yet so small. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, shit.
Oh!
I can't even fit here.
We're surviving.
Oh my god.
Okay. There's.
Is this the exit?
It is an exit, but
Wait, is it out? Where'd it go?
this is the exit.
Oh, okay. Is it?
It is.
Alright. Wait, let's go this way. I want to see what's
There's a slasher right next to you.
Oh, shit. I gotta hear. Go.
Okay, we're getting out. Giant bird coming out of vagina.
Bro, I got...
Spider-Man!
Spider-Man!
Spider-Man, he wants to.
Whoa, what's up, dude?